Today we're going to talk about something that so many business owners get wrong: business personal property. It sounds fancy, but really it's just your business's stuff. The stuff that you've invested in and the stuff that you can't run your business without. And guess what? If you don't properly insure it, you could be one fire, one theft, one hurricane, or one flood away from losing it all. Why should you even care about your business personal property, or BPP? Here's the deal. If you own your physical building that you're in, you most likely have a lender or a mortgage that is requiring you to have that building insured. But what about the stuff inside the building? Some banks don't require you to have that insured. It's up to you to do so. And it's up to your insurance agent to walk you through understanding that there's two types of coverage on a property policy: the building and the BPP. Think of your BPP as your desks, computers, maybe your inventory, tools, signage, even leased equipment. That's right, you might have a responsibility to insure leased equipment. According to industry data, 60% of small business property claims come from BPP. 60%. You don't want to be one of those business owners that at the time of a loss finds out they don't have any coverage to replace what keeps their business running. Now that you know what BPP is, I'm going to give you 3 things to watch out for. First, know what counts. Know and understand what qualifies for BPP. If it's movable and used for your business, it's probably BPP. Think furniture, inventory, machinery, POS systems, even the decorations in your office. Number 2 is don't guess the value of your BPP. Too many times I sit with business owners that just don't have the time or the interest to sit down and take real inventory of what consists of their BPP. It's not that difficult. Once you do it once, then you'd only have to update it as you add more BPP. Too many business owners are just picking a number that they think sounds right and deciding to go with that. And then they find out at the time of a claim, they were underinsured. We suggest you do an inventory, especially of high ticket items, keep receipts, record the interior of your unit, take photographs, and really make sure that your high value items are scheduled individually. Number 3 is you want to make sure that it's covered where you're actually using it. Do you or any of your employees take any of your BPP off-site? Do you sell at pop-up events? You might need off-premise coverage. Standard BPP policies often don't allow you to take that BPP outside of that location that is listed on the policy. So now that you know what it is, and now that you know what to be aware of, let's address 3 myths around BPP. Myth number 1, I work from home. It's covered on my homeowner's insurance. That's not automatically covered, especially if you have more than just a few $1,000s in BPP. Most homeowners insurances won't cover if it's for business use. Myth number 2, if it's not nailed down, it's covered. That's not exactly true. Some policies specifically require for you to itemize and list or schedule any high value items or machinery to be covered. Number 3, and it's one that we hear all too often here in South Florida: I don't need it, it's not going to happen to me. Okay, but what if it does happen to you? How would your business respond? Because I've seen it happen, unfortunately, to the most organized and the most prepared business owners. That's why at The Bunker, we're passionate about helping you protect, not predict. I get it. I have been a resident of South Florida my entire life. I know that we as a community are tired of paying for insurance. But really, what does peace of mind cost? Knowing every year we go through the same thing of hurricane season. Every time the season is upon us and a storm is coming or projected to come our way, our office phone doesn't stop ringing of business owners that are then panicking, wishing they would have taken the time to do this right. At that time when the storm is coming, all of the carriers are shut down. That's not the time to properly assess your risk. At The Bunker, we're here and we're ready to help you move your business from danger to a safe place. Click the link below in the description and we'd be happy to review what you currently have or what you don't have and see how we can work together.